Hi guys, today I just received this really nice quarter zip, as you can see, lightweight sweatshirt for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's really nice because it's perfect to go make some exercise in the morning, go running. It has these two bags, and as I've said, the quarter waist zip that you can zip it all the way up to the neck, or look like a medium and fold it like this. It has elastic bands on the wrist, which I think it's really nice, makes it very comfortable, and you have this tie, so you can just tie it up like that, and it fits two sides, okay, which I think it's really nice. As I've said, you have two bags in this space. They are individual bags, which I think they are really nice, because that way you can keep your cell phone and your keys on separate pockets, which I think it's a really nice thing. And overall, as I've said, it's really lightweight. The fabric is really soft and really transpirable, which I think it's a nice feature because you can use it to go make some exercise, go running, go play some football, anything that you want to do, sports, outdoors. I think it's a really nice option because it's really lightweight, okay? And that's why I would really recommend it. See you guys.